We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
All right, guys, so today is going to be kind of like a half day. I'm rushing to get all of my orders packed, and I'm really behind because I have to leave the house in like 20 minutes, and I still have like 8 orders to pack. So this is going to be crazy. I'm going to meet with a really good friend of mine that I haven't seen since before the pandemic. So I'm looking forward to that, but I'm crazy busy down here today, guys. Got a lot going out, and I got a lot that I need to do. I just wanted to take a minute to thank a special viewer for making a purchase off of my eBay store. So I just want to say thank you, Brandon, for purchasing the Super Nintendo sign. Really appreciate that. I am sending you out a sticker with a little note on the back, so I definitely appreciate the support. Anybody else watching ever wants to pick up anything from eBay, my link is down below in the description. I'll also pop it up on the screen for you. Feel free to peruse my store if you'd like. No pressure to buy anything though, guys. I definitely don't do these videos to make money off of you guys. I am just passionate about eBay and the things that I make these videos about, and I appreciate the fact that you guys will take any second out of your day to watch anything I have to say. So thank you so much. And Brandon, thank you so much for the purchase. I really do appreciate it. One thing I've been doing lately is, you can see the strap on my shoulder. I've been taking this big old duffel bag, packing it full of stuff, and I've been taking it upstairs. And I've been doing a lot of work up at my new desk up in the bedroom where I'm doing all of my YouTube editing and all of that fun stuff. So it's been helping me be a little bit more productive because it's getting me out of the basement. After a while, it gets kind of depressing being just like in a dingy basement all day, if you get my drift. So yeah, it's been nice to get out of the basement and up into like a more neutral part of the house. The cool thing is when I'm up in the bedroom working, the dogs will be up there with me. Yeah, just walk all through my stuff. No big deal, dude. No big deal. Just walk on my stuff, you know, all up on my Dymo and computer and whatever the heck else you want to step on. No big deal. Go ahead, you own the place, bro. Well, guys, I guess it's a good thing I didn't need the computer for the auction tonight. Because apparently Nalo thinks it's his bed. Another thing that's kind of cool, guys, is I got my new computer just in time because this thing is unstreamable. I can't even record on StreamYard on this anymore. So it might as well just become Nalo's new bed. Alright, guys, it's that special time where Amazon inventory becomes dinner. That's right. Something that I've made thousands of dollars on during the pandemic is now my dinner tonight. I'm going to share that product with you. And if you're smart, you won't buy this because it'll end up being your dinner in several months as well. You might ask, what's the product I made thousands of dollars on? Kraft macaroni and cheese. That's right, guys. The $1 box. Made thousands of dollars on this during the pandemic when no one was leaving their house and everybody was ordering their groceries online. Since the pandemic ended, well, it's not technically ended, but since people started going out to get their own groceries again, this stuff has tanked. And I have multiple cases of this, so I'm making dinner with it tonight, but I'm also going to be giving this stuff away. As you can see, November 2020 is the best buy date on these, so I want to make sure people get fed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway on this video. If you would like this mac and cheese, all you have to do is leave a comment down below and let me know. And someone's going to win some mac and cheese. Alright, guys, so I have an unboxing I wanted to do today too, and as you know, I got the brand new computer, which is sick, which is amazing, but the one thing I did not have for the new computer was a mouse pad. When you're faced with the dilemma of needing something cool, where do you go? You go with the master of the license plate, Dee C Sells, who makes the best custom stuff in the entire world. So I am really excited to get into this box if I can. I got these like little kid scissors up here because we're upstairs, not downstairs in my cash cave. We're upstairs where I do all my video editing now. It's been a really nice change of pace to be able to do some work upstairs and not be stuck in the basement. So here we go. Got 2 items in here. Okay, looks like we got some bonus items as well. We got a letter. Anthony, thank you for your order. I put in a few extra things. Please put the sticker, "Have a magical day" on your car window and send me a picture of it. I need a photo so I can list the sticker. Thanks to Ashley for the inspiration. Thanks, Dee. That's awesome. I will definitely actually put that on Ashley's car too, because she will love that. So thank you so much, Dee. And this is going on my fridge right next to the letter I have from you when I hit 500 subscribers. So let's get into this. First, I'm going to show you my mouse pad, which is awesome. I told her she had full design rights over it. As long as it said Picksburgh, didn't really care what else was on there, but that's awesome. She got the black and yellow stripes on there, so that's going on my desk to complete the new PC. Very, very happy with that. Thank you, Dee. That looks amazing. So let's see this. This is actually a Christmas gift. So, Mom, if you're watching this, tune out right now. And if anyone else watches this, don't spoil the surprise for her, because I ordered it early. Oh, I shredded that box. So much for that being reusable. So I'm looking forward to seeing this. This is, my mom is huge into custom made stuff. So I ordered her a mug. She's really into sentimental stuff, guys. So this is going to be a perfect gift. Got her this, and we're also taking her to Las Vegas in March for her birthday. So we just wanted to get her something small. Just, you know, something small that she'd know we love her. So we got her this for now, just to show you how sweet it's going to be. Boom. There's the mouse pad in its place. Let's get into some extras, guys. Excited to see what these are. Those are really cool, guys. One of those is definitely going on my key ring, and maybe Ashley's, or if she doesn't want it, we'll do a giveaway. But those are really cool. Picksburgh keychains. Oh, look at this. It's a necklace. That's really nice. It's a necklace with me and Ashley on it in the heart. And we're all Disneyed out. That's really cute. It's on the other side. That's really nice. Thank you so much, Dee. Definitely be giving this one to Ashley. She'll love that. Awesome Dee C Sells sticker. Definitely going to be putting that up somewhere. This actually might be a new inventory sticker. I have stickers down in my basement right now marking different eBay inventories. So I may now have a Dee C Sells inventory system coming soon. This is awesome. This is definitely going with my base. Picksburgh guitar pick. And we actually just put up our Christmas tree yesterday, so a custom Christmas ornament is awesome. Thank you so much, Dee. This will go right up on the old Christmas tree. And again, it's more pictures of me and Ashley at Disney, so that's super awesome. We actually have a tree that's nothing but Disney. I may actually have Ashley do a video on our Christmas trees, just so you guys can see it. And last but certainly not least, I'm believing this is probably what Dee wanted to go on our car. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah, Ashley will definitely put that on her car, like probably ASAP-a-rooney. And we will definitely get you a picture of that. That looks amazing. Look at that. That's really cool. Dee, thank you so much for all of this stuff. Guys, if you're interested in getting anything custom made at all, you definitely need to check out Dee C Sells. I'm going to link her Instagram in this video. So if you would go over there, feel free to send her a private message and she can custom make you anything at all. But I was in the market for a mouse pad for the computer, but I also like to get custom stuff made for my mom every year for Christmas. So she can do pretty much anything for you guys. So, and then you see a good little mixture of these little gift ideas and stuff like that you can have made. Really, really cool. So, congratulations to Just Me Kathy. You are the members only giveaway winner this month. Really appreciate all of your support. Definitely appreciate you guys watching this. Till next time, may God bless you and take it easy.